Hello everyone, welcome back. Sorry for the last lesson ended, but now we are going to define loads. How we can define loads? We go to define and then in loads. Where we can find the loads? Okay, define load pattern. Define load patterns. We have the dead is the weight of the materials. We create another thing, call it LL, live load. Created LL. Add a new load pattern LL. We create a new load pattern also, call it EQX earthquake from the dimension X. Make it quake. Okay, sorry. Self weight 0, and we use NBC UBC. Okay, so let's UBC 97. UBC 97. Okay, we use it for now. We add new load pattern earthquake, UBC 97. We create a new one, call it, and we create a new one, wind. We now create wind load X, and it's wind, and we use ASCE 716. I see you can use this from your code. Which code you are using to design your structure, you use this kind of code. Okay, add new and WLY. Okay, now we must define the difference between X and Y. We go to earthquake Y, modify. Sorry, I forgotten how we can modify it. Or okay, it goes here and say global Y. We create modify load pattern and Y, and we click add this. We change this to add these two options. Why I will tell you in the later course that they are theoretical, but now you must need to use them, and we change the direction to 90 for the pattern. Okay, and create OK, and our load pattern is made. Don't forget to like and subscribe.